Stop. Wait a minute. Turn up your sound. How would you like to bring dead car batteries, laptop batteries, cell phone batteries, power tool batteries, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again? Well, now you can. Because there's a brand new, simple trick that allows absolutely anyone to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. It's easy to do, and you can learn how to do this right now. Because there's a new video up online exposing this secret method. And once you learn this, you'll pretty much never have to buy new batteries again. And you'll save thousands of the cost of batteries over your lifetime. So if you're ready to learn more, click the link below now.